Good morning, folks. It's a cool April day, a very late day in April, and it's about 4 degrees out. But I'm here today and I'd like to talk to you about cedars. Now, a lot of us have planted a lot of cedars. I'm sure you have, we have. Some of the common varieties are the emerald cedar, the white cedar, the black cedar. And all those cedars are very beautiful, and they're very hardy in Ontario. But when we plant these cedars, we all want them to grow fast, don't we? And most people say they just don't grow fast enough. So Sue and I used to travel to the West Coast, and we used to admire a cedar called the Western cedar. This is not actually the Western cedar, but this is a cedar that plant breeders over the last 10 years have developed, which is actually hardy here, because we could only admire these cedars when we went and visited Oregon and BC, but now we can actually grow these cedars here, and they grow over twice as fast as all the other cedars that I just mentioned. And that's why I want to talk to you about these cedars, because they're such a beautiful cedar. They're great for a privacy hedge, they're great for a windbreak, they're great for a sound barrier. And when I planted these cedars 4 years ago, they were only this tall. That is an incredible rate of growth. Another thing is they have actually gone through probably 4 of the harshest winters that we've experienced in 20 years. And look at them. They're extremely hardy. They're extremely beautiful in my opinion. And get a little closer look at them. You got to look at this layered effect that these cedars have. And as I said, these cedars have never been trimmed. And look at the size, look at the height in 4 short years. Now, the green giant cedar, which is what this particular variety is probably, okay, that's going to have to be cut. But anyways, keep going, don't worry about it. So, as I said, you can plant these cedars as a nice windbreaker, a hedge, or a beautiful specimen in the yard. And they're available here at the glass house if you like, in sizes such as a 1-gallon pot. And I'd like you to see this. This is only a 2-year plant, just to emphasize the speed of growth again. You can see that this is the first year here, and then this was last year's growth from where my left hand is to my right hand. And that is a 1-gallon pot. So you don't necessarily need, I guess, to plant large trees to get a nice large hedge in a few short years. I'd invite you to come on out and talk to any of our professionals at the glass house for any more information you might have on these cedars. We're more than happy to help, and that's what we're here for. I'm Dave Van Ray from the Glass House Nursery. Have a great day.